guys, this is the best state you can drive, man. Ohio, USA, man. Woo. Look at that straight line. Anybody can do that. We guys go right here.
At the light, turn right onto Ohio 4 South.
Towards the Vickers, Ohio. Actually, I have delivery in Willard, Ohio, which is kind of small village.
Continue on Ohio 4 South for 6 miles.
So as you see, Ohio is really flat, straight, flat land, man. The biggest hill here is a pumpkin. Believe it or not. Yeah, it is kind of funny but true. Pumpkin is the biggest hill, man, here. Still in Ohio, guys. I'm slowly coming close to that place. So this is really remote area, guys. I don't know what's gonna happen. No engine brakes, please. No wake up all these calves and the horses and the sheep. Don't do it. Plus, it's a school here. You know what I mean? Be careful. Look at these beautiful Ohio roads, man. I love this state. This is my favorite state to drive. There's nobody on the road, man. All I can see here is few guys, few tractors, few bulls, and few calves. And I see some deer. That's perfect condition, man. Oh wow, look at that. We are going to number 8 dock. Okay. Sounds good. Sounds good to me. I don't know about you guys, but I love this place. It's so big, so huge. Lots of room. Anybody can park here. Unless you're really weirdo and you don't know how to drive the truck. You know what I mean. Sometimes that's what happened. Number 8. He says don't go number 9. It's very bad one. Okay. Let's see number 8. What's... Ooh, wow, that's easy, man. Easy peasy. Take it easy, buddy. This is really easy, man. Oh, man. I was expecting much more difficult task here, guys, but this is nothing, man. I was here, man, 2 years ago. I remember this place. These people are nice and relaxed. I love this place. So we're gonna park here and go in office and ask them where I should back up there and be unloaded.
Your destination is on the right.
That's it. Your location is on the right. Okie dokie. This is pretty much straightforward idea. I know the office is here, guys, so no worries. Don't panic, don't panic, don't panic. Just take it easy. It's morning. Take it easy. Well, I'm here, guys. Finally, you see my face today, huh? Oh man, this was really challenging. Hour and a half drive here and hour and a half. This is really short. Am I gonna make anything today? Man, this is gonna be really slim check, man. Only 2 hours from here to there. About 6 hours total trip, man. This is really short. I think they gotta pay me by hour today. No miles, sorry. No, this is too short, man. Mile will not bring me food on the table. No way. Great, great, great. Now. Some construction is here, guys, so we gotta be patient and wait for a green light. Yeah. Basically, that's really simple to do. Just don't close. You're not gonna make it, man. So let's do my papers and we are out of here. This was the fastest unload I ever see, man. Very quick one. Let's see it. Delivery what? Scan it, add page, press scan, turn around, adjust. Isaac, this is Isaac system. Alright, finish. Done. Departed. Done. That's how you do it. Now we are going to 228000. 22800. 22800. $110 miles from here, guys, and I have
Head north on Ohio 103 East.
I have appointment 2:30, so I'm gonna be 2 hours before appointment. This stupid thing wants me to go on border. I cannot go to border. I have to go straight down to. Oh man, this is a 75. Okay, so follow 75 all the way to 96 to 94. Michigan, St. Clair. Oh my God, I'm gonna be close to border. What are you gonna do, guys? I was middle of nowhere
US
now.
224 West, Walton Street West.
Oh, shut up. My God, this Google is so annoying. So annoying, man. I know I'm going on 224 Ohio. I do. So, guys, this is really something, man.
At the light, turn left onto US 224 West, Walton Street West.
Don't interrupt me, man. I didn't ask you for anything. Oh man, look at this.
Continue on US 224 West for 3 miles.
See that? If I go in straight, 13.2 inch height, and my trailer is 13.5, so meaning I would hit the damn bridge. Well, guys, this is what happens when you don't have entry to cross the border. You gotta wait. I am half an hour from border around Detroit area, and today I wanna show you some miracle product. You know, a lot of people in North America do not eat this product. It's actually goat milk. So you guys should consume more, because this is my daily consumption, and I find out that this goat milk has no fiber, zero, has 2% of sugar, which is very low, has 100 milligrams of sodium, which is very low, and high percentage of calcium and iron. So this is for you guys Goat milk. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Apparently goat milk is really good for you guys. Yeah, very good. Despite 3.8% fat, goat milk is one of the best milk you can drink. And I don't know why people, even my kids, they're running from milk, from goat. I have no clue why they're afraid. Goat is one of the cleanest animal on earth, basically. Goat will not eat anything from the ground, basically. That's what I heard. I never have goats, but I heard. So they are very clean animals, guys. Yes, true. Nothing but true. It says hole number 1. Okie dokie, okie dokie. Okie smoky. So this is a huge chocolate place, man. These guys are not joking, really. They will be providing me a lot of chocolate today. Yummy, yummy. And this chocolate is going, believe it or not, to Canada. Like, we don't have chocolates there. We do, but not this one. This one is a special one for Santa Claus guy. Santa loves this place, man. And I'm his partner, so I will bring him some chocolate, guys. Don't kid with me. I'm really serious here. Oh man, this is so icy, man. This is really icy. So let's get out from this ice, guys. Too much ice, too much ice, too much ice, yes. Do that for Santa. Today we're gonna do this load for Santa, yeah. Since he's a good boy, I promised him to deliver some chocolate today, guys. And he says, no problem, just get me some chocolate. Let's open this trailer and we're gonna be all set, okay? Make sense? Let's see what kind of chocolate they have here. Not for me. My sugar is a little bit high for chocolates anyway today. Yeah.